Hello, in this lesson we will discuss what it means to be an Excel developer and why Microsoft Excel makes such an interesting and useful development platform for many types of applications. So let's start our first lesson, Excel as a development platform. At the end of this video, you will learn who develops in Excel, what is an Excel application, and what an Excel application can do. Who develops in Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful program. You can make it more powerful by creating custom solution using Excel VBA, which helps you to analyze data more efficiently and with fewer mistakes, help you to pull data from disparate systems and organize it in a way that provides meaning, and employ technologies to make our life easier. Excel developer is a person specializing in developing analytical applications. What is an Excel application? By Excel application, I mean a spreadsheet that you have developed using Excel and VBA for use by yourself or other users. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications, which is essentially Visual Basic that has been modified to run within other host applications, such as Excel or Microsoft Word. Excel applications contain VBA code that may perform one or more tasks. What an Excel application can do. Excel applications contain VBA code can perform one or more of the following: to automate tedious processes. Many times, once you created a useful spreadsheet, to maintain this sheet, you need to perform a set of tasks in a specific order on a frequent basis. Often you can automate such simple tasks using Excel's macro recorder. For more complex tasks, you need to write VBA code. Secondly, to enhance the user experience. The experience and comfort level of people using Excel varies widely. One way to spread the wealth of useful spreadsheet, is to incorporate the user interface into the workbook that can serve to guide the less experienced users and help the more experienced users to work more efficiently. Excel VBA code can hide the underlying complexity of a spreadsheet. You can use VBA to manage the layout and display of a workbook so that users don't get lost in your brilliant work. To integrate with another application or database. Most corporate data is locked in other applications or databases. By enabling Excel to integrate with these sources of data, you can empower users to analyze this data with much greater efficiency and to prevent the modification of certain aspects of a spreadsheet. Once you have created your spreadsheet, you need to have sections that others could modify to their own detriment. To modify this from occurring, you can use various techniques to allow others to interact with the workbook. only in the ways that you intended. Hopefully, you are now even more motivated to start learning how to develop Excel applications using VBA. So let's dig in and get going. Your first task in the next lesson is to create, test, and examine your first macro. See you in the next lesson.